Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
The Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, URUWA, has equally called on President Buhari to sack his Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, immediately. The group said Mohammed should be sacked for lying to Nigerians and the world. Mohammed, in a series of press conferences, denied the massacre, even made the CNN to retract its report. Despite the federal government's stance, the report showed obvious evidence that there was indeed a massacre at the Lekki toll gate. URUWA said, URUWA therefore called for the dismissal, arrest and trial of Alhaji Lai Mohammed for falsehood, which has now been contradicted by Judicial Panel of Investigation in Lagos. The immediate past president of the Campaign for the Defense of Human Rights, CDHR, Malaki Ugumadu, in his reaction said, in this age and time of digital technology with active citizens' participation in information dissemination, there is very little anyone can do to stop access to such reports that affect the entire nation and attracted the attention of the international community. I believe that the committee will not be weakened if, as announced, they are merely constituted to produce a white paper on the report and develop strategies by which recommendations in the report are to be implemented. This is a routine administrative procedure of dealing with reports of this nature for record purposes, where, however, they are constituted to review the reports already presented then. There will be some concerns because the state government testified before the panel and in some cases was alleged to have perpetrated the violation complained about. To that extent, they cannot superintend over and review a panel report in which they were petitioned against.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.